If you're getting ready to sell your home, you might be wondering if it's worth it to make updates or renovations before putting it on the market. Here are 4 key financial reasons to consider. Updating features of your home, such as the kitchen or bathroom, can increase the overall value and make it easier to sell for a higher price. Homes that are updated and in good condition are more likely to sell quickly, which can save you money on mortgage, insurance, and HOA dues payments. By updating a home before selling it, you can make it more appealing to potential buyers and bring in more offers and add for a higher sales price. Showing buyers a list of new updates can make your home stand out from the competition, giving you more bargaining power and better results. So if you're thinking about selling your home, don't forget to consider the potential financial benefits of updating it before putting it on the market. Thanks for watching.